Okay, hello, you trader nerds. I got to tell you, I am not myself today because last night I was dreaming that I was in the Ranburne High School band again, playing my trumpet. And this is a recurring dream where I can't remember the routine. I don't remember where I'm about to march to. So there comes this majorette, the very famous Robin Puckett. Oh, she was gorgeous majorette back when I was in high school. And she comes in front of me and I said, Robin, I don't know where to go. She says, follow me, Bobby. So here I go. I'm following Robin Puckett and through the field. And the next thing you know, I tumble and I fall. I drop my trumpet. The world stood still for a little bit. I was not fantasizing about another woman. Sure. Beth. Sure. It's just Robin. It happened to be Robin Puckett, and Robin Puckett happened to be a majorette, and she happened to ask me to follow her. So the next thing you know, ladies and gentlemen, I go just crashing down onto the field. And it felt like I was, when I had that car wreck in 2009, it's what it felt like. And next thing you know, I am on the floor. I have fallen off the bed. I am bruised and broken. And I'm like, oh my God. And Beth's like, oh God, is you okay? She was really worried about me, wasn't you, Beth? And then immediately after she's worried about me, she starts laughing when she finds out I'm okay. So I fell off the bed last night. So yeah, she's like, get up. And I've got a CPAP mask on, you know, I did not scream like that. Well, it scared me. Scared the devil out of me. Gee. All right, so here we are. All right, so the market's up 0.2%, up 9 points. It's been down a little bit, and what's up? We are above the overnight high. We're above the hourly mid-band. We're above VWAP. The VIX is at 13.48. AD is negative still, but you can see AD is trending up. If you are a scalper, now's the time to, well, now here was the time to go long, right? You may have missed it now. So AD making the high of the day at negative 72. We've got average volume. We're going into lunchtime chop and got the weekly pivot. We're above weekly pivot. We're above the cash open. All right. Everything shows, hey, maybe we'll turn out bullish today. So let's go look at the big green monster. The big green monster looks like we are overbought, I think. I said we're overbought. Yeah. Well, no, we're actually oversold now. So this is overbought. This is oversold. So this kind of looks bullish, even though my original thing was that we would probably come back and fill this area, go here. But if we keep going up in here, it's more and more looking like we want to go to that area right there. So we'll watch it. In other words, here's where I think we're going to go, right? It looks like something like this. What is wrong with my thing? Where's my rider thing? Anyway, that's not working. Anyway, we look like we're going to do this, right? It's just kind of steady as she goes. And again, I think we're going to be inside the expected move. Again, we think that premium is going to come in this week. What is wrong with my little thing? Yeah. We think that premium is going to come in. It didn't last week, and we just think it's kind of going to be a boring week. I don't see much of anything. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression looks like it is, you know, doing what it does. It goes to the bottom, it goes to the top, goes to the middle, goes back up. So nothing to see here. We're above all of our. Now, the thing is that you could have told that this down move was losing momentum, right? It went from, why is my thing not working? It went from here to here. Look at the volume. Everybody's getting ready to go on vacation. Look at this volume going down, down, down. So there's no pressing move up or no pressing move down in lower volume as everybody gets ready for next week, which we will be off because I will be at the Great Myrtle Beach. All right, so let's do this account, the bellwether account. See how we're doing today. 6/28/23. And we were at 35,568. And today we are at Crimson. We should be up today. Premium's coming in nicely. 35,771. 35,771. Little sweet Bobby has made some money. 203, Beth, 203, my number. The number 203 follows me everywhere. I was Beth, how far is Myrtle Beach from Hilton Head? I don't know. We ain't got the money to go to Hilton Head. We're Myrtle Beachers. Right. You spent some time in Hilton Head? Yeah, that's nice. All right. So Myrtle Beach is nice. So we got a great condo and it's this flat walking to the beach. Beth saves me money on it. She's very frugal, y'all. I married a very frugal woman. And we've already got the condo paid off. So we're doing it 6131. 6131. So let's put that in. 6131. Oh, I like it. My delta's going down. 6131. We're at 0.09 and we're at 13 VIX. And we are at a buying power of 89.12. Okay, I think this is the account I'm gonna push it in. Now, y'all, we had a family meeting, the Mafia and Hello Ladies and Ninja Nerds and all of the Trader Nerds. We had a little session. And so we're going to keep these shorter and we're going to only show one account instead of the 3 here on YouTube and for everybody. So, but at the same time, I'm going to push this account a little bit. What that means is for science purposes, this is going to be for scientific research. I want to see if I can use 50% of my buying power. And if I use 50% of my buying power, that means I'm going to be tested more often. It also means that we will determine if our plan that we have developed to handle the, the big moves down, if we'll be able to implement it on the fly more often than using the 25% buying power that I'm using now. So let's push this a little bit. I don't want you to follow me. Don't follow me. As James said, I am the canary in the cave. Let me take the risk. You don't take the risk. Okay. Let me do it. I'm going to push it a little bit. So you still push it to 0.1. I'm going to see if I can push this up a little bit. Everything looks good in the account. I'm going to put on a trade. Okay. So let's see what the trade would be. The trade would be in the MES, and we're going to do the 1-2-1 trade. I'm not always going to do 1-2-1s. I'm still going to do 1-1-2s as well. But I think we're going to go out. And we're going to find that one that brings us in $20 worth of premium at a 9% probability of being in the money. You will hear us refer to that as a 9 delta. 9 delta, 888 is there. So between 15 and 21, probably not going to get $20. I may on this 4,000. Let's see what we can do. But this is wide bid ask. Let's see if I can get 20 on him. I probably can't. But I don't really want to get less than 20. Let's see if that'll feed. Oh my gosh, we got to 20, y'all. Look at that. I should have went for 21. All right, so we're in 79 days. So then what I do is I go, okay, we're in 79 days. The plan is to close that at an 80% profit or to take it off when we've reached half of the DTE, so 79. So half of 79 is 39.50. We'll say 40. So that means my put debit spread needs to be on for at least 40 days. So the closest that we've got to at least 40 is 51. Now, here's the little hack that, yeah, I'm a guinea pig for sure. So here's the little hack that I found out that works pretty good. Now I'm going to buy something that is a 9% probability of being in the money. This is a trade hack that I've discovered that we think will work. So if we went and did the 40.75 and bought the 40.75 and went 300 points down to the 37.75, 37.75, we don't have a 37, give it a 37.75 and sell that one. Look at that, 9.25. I like it a lot. So let's put that on, cost us $50. Got to have to quarter it up. So let's go quarter it up and get filled. Cancel replace, go up to 950. See if we can get in. Beautiful. What does the trade look like? Let me show you. Let's go to the Analyze tab. Analyze. Quit getting these alerts. Quit. Analyze. MES, portfolio beta weighted. Hold on. Let me put me in my groups. Show my groups so I can analyze my groups. And now we will analyze the hide simulations and we'll do unallocated. That should be it. That should be it. This the short 2 puts and the put debit spread should be all that it shows. So here you go. You know, if crap hits the fan, we go down 12%, we're going to be down $942 on the trade. We go down 20%, we're down $29.13. And the trade looks like 2 expirations. just doesn't look as good, does it, as it does in the Tasty account. But that's it. And that's our little trade. Little trade. Today's the 28th. And there we go. There's our little trade. Looks really good. Looks really good. Looks really good. All right. Questions, comments? Okay. Why would this not to be replicated? Because it's a hypothesis I have. The hypothesis that I have is that I can manage it up to 50% buying power, which means there will be times I'm going to be at 70 and 80%. I know that. So the reason that we keep it at 25 is because we know that it's going to go up to 50 in a high volatility environment. So if you follow me and try to push it a bit, realize you're going to be tested more, and that sooner than later, we're going to go through those emergency, what is it that James calls it? The muscle learning. What is it? Muscle learning, James? Muscle memory. The muscle memory of what happens if the helicopter is in trouble and we got to come down quickly. Then we're going to have to go through that. Let's pull that up, by the way. Let's see. Letters of administration. I'm trying to file those for my father-in-law who passed away in 2021 without a will. Never die without a will, y'all. All right, so here we go. So here's what we can do if crap hits the fan. If crap hits the fan, we've got a circuit breaker that says if we're down 5% on our net limit, just close everything. You've got the permission to do that. Otherwise, we can close our profitable position. We can roll losing positions to extend trade duration. We can sell some calls, right, to reduce our deltas. We can sell futures to reduce our deltas and buying power. We can buy some cheap protected puts to reduce our portfolio buying power. We can close our losing positions, and we can close a short put, even in a put debit spread, to give us some long protection. Okay, so those are the different things that we can do. So let's turn it up a little bit. Let's push it. Let's see if we can manage with 50% buying power. Questions or comments? If not, I will see y'all on tomorrow.